My name's Peter Anderson, I'm the Corporate Recovery Manager at Baines and Ernst Corporate. When negotiating with HM Revenue and Customs, the chief problem we encounter is the company's own history with HM Revenue and Customs, particularly because HM Revenue and Customs' ability and desire to agree to plans is based on how well the company's made payments in the past, how well it's adhered to them, and whether or not HMRC are the primary creditor. It's particularly relevant if a company's had a payment plan in the past and defaulted, because what HM Revenue and Customs are looking for is being able to trust that what's negotiated will actually be stuck to.
I'm Imogen Davidson, I'm an insolvency practitioner and I work for Baines and Ernst Corporate. The tax arrears plan that we offer involves us preparing a cash flow forecast for your business for the next 12 months and setting out a proposal to the revenue of why the business is viable and why it can actually achieve the forecast that we've set out. We would look at the history of the company and see why it had fallen into arrears in the first place and how these can be overcome going forwards.
Other options that would be available if an HM Revenue and Customs repayment plan can't be negotiated, in the first instance would probably be a company voluntary arrangement, because in order to propose the tax arrears solutions plan, there'd have to be a belief and some evidence that the underlying business was good, but that for whatever reason it wasn't viable to take that forward as a tax arrears solutions plan, typically because the length of time required might be longer, or there are other creditors who also need to be addressed. That would give us the option then, instead of having to negotiate over 6 to 18 months, of taking it up to 5 years and perhaps taking it to less than 100p in the pound if there's evidence in the cash flows that that's what the business supports.
If you're facing creditor pressure, you've received letters and demands in the post, if a bailiff has attended your premises, or you just like some advice because you can see this happening in the future, then please give us a call. The earlier you call, the more options you have.